Hello, thank you for being the proud owner of CHEFMASTER Chapathi Maker.
CHEFMASTER, the first and foremost company in manufacturing the chapati maker. Now bigger and smarter. New CHEFMASTER Classic, made with stainless steel body, double-layer non-stick coated plates, imported power saver thermostat. CHEFMASTER makes soft chapatis to make your life healthier and happier.
To make life happier and healthier, you have chosen CHEFMASTER. Good. Now, you will be very eager to make chapati with this. Knowing everything in the right way is always the best, okay? Now, let's see how to make puffy chapatis quickly and easily. First, let us make chapati batter. Preparing chapati batter. Take sufficient quantity of wheat flour and add some salt. Then, add water slowly as required. And mix well. Knead the dough well till it's soft. Unlike usual procedure, knead it loosely like porota or poly dough. The batter has to be loose like this. This is very important for making fluffy chapatis. After that, shape the dough into small balls. Preparing chapati. Now clean the CHEFMASTER with a slightly damp cloth. Then fit the 3-way pin to a 3-hole socket and switch on. Then the red light on the bottom of the chapati maker glows. This indicates that the CHEFMASTER is preheating. When it is sufficiently heated, the light goes off. This takes about 5 to 6 minutes. Now CHEFMASTER is ready for use. Then take dough ball and flatten it slightly and keep it on the bottom grid slightly off center and towards the rear. Now hold the handle, close the grid and press it down firmly. Don't press it for a long time. Now leave it for 15 to 20 seconds till air bubbles start coming out. Now turn the chapati over by hand or with a non-metallic spatula. Leave it just like that for 15 to 20 seconds. By doing so, the chapati becomes puffy. If it doesn't, lightly close the grid for some time. Now lift the grid and the puffy chapati comes out. Now, do you understand how CHEFMASTER makes tasty chapatis easily? Don't you feel desirous to make chapatis like this? But I want to say something before that. Even though most people make puffy and soft chapatis with CHEFMASTER Chapati Maker, some people face problems in the beginning. What are those problems? Now let us see how to deal with those problems because you can also face the same problem in the future. Tips. Some people say that they are not able to make puffy chapatis. The reason for this are the broken grain particles in the dough and also the dough getting torn while pressing. Due to this, the steam between the two layers of the chapati will exit. To avoid this, please follow these instructions before preparing the dough. The wheat flour has to be used after continuous winnowing. There shouldn't be any broken grain particle in the dough. When the flour is kneaded, water must be added slowly and add water until it becomes soft. Then mix well. Leave the dough at least for half an hour and then use the CHEFMASTER. Some people say that the dough slips away when it's being pressed. To avoid this, place the CHEFMASTER on a flat surface. Flatten the dough ball slightly and then press. At the same time, do not press for a long time. There are also complaints that while pressing the dough gets torn. To avoid this, the dough should be made into balls without any gap. The dough should not be very hard. At the same time, don't press too much. Few people say that while pressing, the dough doesn't get flattened evenly. This is because the dough is hard. While preparing chapati, the dough should be soft like this. Many people doubt whether oil must be used. It's not mandatory that oil must be added, but we can add oil or milk according to our wish. Pressing method. Place the CHEFMASTER on a flat horizontal surface. Hold the lifter knob in your left hand and the handle in your right hand. Press it in such a way that the top plate touches the handle like this and press them at the same time. Let's see once more. Hold the lifter knob in your left hand and handle in your right hand. And press the top plate and handle at the same time. If you want a more flattened chapati, turn over the dough once more and press. Other uses. We can also make dosa, ada, poli, omelette, bread toast and papad in CHEFMASTER. Dosa, uttapam. Open the top plate of CHEFMASTER. When the light cuts off, pour the batter like this. If oil has to be added, pour it along the sides of the batter. Please use a non-metallic spatula. Bread toast. Open the top plate of CHEFMASTER and keep the bread. When it becomes brown in color, remove it with a non-metallic spatula. Papad. Open the top plate of CHEFMASTER and keep the papad before closing the top plate. When the papad can be smelt, open the top plate and remove it. Ada. Open the CHEFMASTER and when the light cuts off, pour the ada batter in the bottom plate. Pour ghee or oil and turn it over. When both the sides are toasted, take it out. Omelette. Open the top plate of CHEFMASTER, pour the yolk and pour some oil. After it is toasted, take it out. Kakra. Keep a prepared chapati on the bottom plate of CHEFMASTER and close it. Press it for some time. Turn it over for twice or thrice and press it. Kakra is ready. Do's and don'ts. Don't ever use a metallic spatula in the CHEFMASTER. Always use a non-metallic spatula. Always clean the CHEFMASTER with a damp cloth. Please don't use a wet cloth and don't ever wash the CHEFMASTER. Always use a 5 amps 3-pin socket for CHEFMASTER. If service is needed, please approach an authorized dealer. Do not dismantle on your own or give it to some unauthorized person. Cleaning method. After switching off the main plug, the top and bottom plate would be hot. Dip a cotton cloth in oil lightly and clean the CHEFMASTER in this way. Please don't ever use water. Manufacturer. The manufacturer of CHEFMASTER is Premier Machine Tools, 84A Vinayakar Street, Shivananda Colony, Coimbatore 641012. From now on, we hope your life would be happy and healthy. Enjoy!